everyone, it's Marian from MC Beaters, and I wanted to show you a project that I've been working on. I started off with a bottle like this. I cleaned off the labels and I bought myself a bottle cutter, which I cut, I guess, around right here. And with this bottle, I made a wind chime. Okay, it's not windy, but... And what I did here was, I cut the bottom, I painted some, what are these? Fireflies. I bought a cork, and I E6000 it into the bottle, chain, and a keyring. And inside I had put all different beads. This is my first one. The string that I used was a little thick, so I wasn't able to get all the beads that I wanted to. I only got the larger hole beads in here. But when I go and get the right size string, I'll be putting on acrylics. And then inside here, I wasn't able to put this big washer that I bought, which I'm going to ask my daughter to do because you need little hands to try to tie it in there. But anyway, this is my first one. I think it came out cute. It's nice. The bottom was a little wooden tab, and I painted it green. And then I painted, these are stencils. I stenciled two different what are these called? Dragonflies. So this is my first one, just a sample. I'm gonna try to do a little better with I have about 5 more I'm gonna make. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Sunday night. Bye bye.